Hey guys, my name is Alex, and today we are going to be embarking on the most wonderful adventure of them all. That's right, we are going to be unboxing the Archer and Olive LOVESPELL Valentines 2025 LOVESPELL box of goodies. So if you're curious of what comes inside, or you just want to see a grown man go absolutely ape over shiny notebooks for about 20 to 30 minutes, then you are in the right place, darling. Strap on in, get yourself a drink, get cozy, and start putting my nonsense on in the background while you work, because it is time to crack open a cold one with the boys. And in this metaphor, the cold one is the really cool notebook, and the boys is me. I'm the boys. Hi! Archer and Olive LOVESPELL box. Let me preface before I get into the unboxing that this was actually a gift sent to me by Archer and Olive themselves, which blows my mind because in the content created spectrum I don't exist. So to the lovely customer service representative who liked my video enough to send me a present, thank you so much. I really love it. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I really can't wait to get into it, and I will be honest, I have been hopping around like a hyperactive penguin ever since I found out this was coming. So to finally have it within my midst makes me incredibly excited, and I can't describe my feelings any more than just the simple phrase of shiny notebooks. So yes, rabid fanboying aside, let's get into it. First and foremost, before even like opening the box, let's be honest, this is a gorgeous box. Like, I mean, okay, yeah, like the bottom is basic, what I was expecting, but this is a gorgeous box design. I love, like, I'll be honest, like, pink isn't my favorite color in the universe. Like many boys out there, I grew up with an inhuman evasion to the color going, ew, pink. But now, as an artist, I've grown to accept it's a color in the spectrum. Get used to it, buddy. But I will admit, even though it's not my favorite color in the universe, I really love the purpley pink tone that they went with, because, like, I really love cold color. I love how, like, they've got like a little lock on the box, like, haha, you've opened the treasure chest of your dreams. All of the LOVESPELL boxes that came from Archer and Olive directly all had this cute little gift included, which was a couple of sticker sheets. A gift for you. Inside we have, oh, okay, so we've got two sheets. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at that. Look at, oh, that's so cute. Like, I have two tuxedo cats, so the little tuxedo cats on here just make me like extra happy. Also, even though this cat isn't a tuxedo cat, my cat Aster, that is his life. That is why you don't get to see the unboxing from the post box, because that always gets donated straight to my cat. He is sleeping in the box right now. As a certified cat parent, this is absolutely on point. I love this. Alright, first up, let's go with this one. Oh, look at this packaging. That is so nice. I'm a sucker for like gold stamping, so like that just looks so nice to me. Oh, okay. Those are nice. Oh, check those out. Those are nice. Okay, I like the washi tapes. There are so many things you could use these for. Let me get my swatchy bookie thing here. Come here, trusty Scrap B. First up, we have this big tape here. Ooh. All right, so it's a lovely hot foil stamp tape. It's got a bit of grip to it when you rip it, which means it's a decent quality tape. Then the next thickest one we've got is this one. So this is a nice gold foiled couch chair pattern in a purple, which looks really nice. Ooh, that looks lovely. The black one is something I can easily see myself incorporating into quite a few different themes. It's because I guess it's neutral enough. Honestly, one thing I really like about these is, with the exception of this top one, though, like, this top one would kind of be a center point of a spread, whereas these other ones, they are pretty neutral. You can incorporate them with other, you know, other tapes, other styles, and it won't be like so egregiously use it in the Valentine's box or else. And finally, we have this repeating heart pattern, which would look amazing as a border, I think. So these here are the washi tape options, and yeah, these are gorgeous. Oh, it's hard to pick, but I'd say my favorite one is either the black or the purple one. Like, the black one's definitely more versatile, but the purple one is just really nice as well. Like, I can see myself using these absolutely, not even just as a set, like mixed with other tapes, other designs. But yeah, like, I really like that black one, I'd say. I like how you can very easily use that with so many other types of themes as well. Like, it's not locked into a Valentine's-y theme. These are amazing tapes. Really good choices. Absolute 10 out of 10 there. next up, let's go with this one. Ooh, all right, that's like a gold holographic rainbow foil. Damn, that's cool. All right, that's cool. Oh, this is the bookmark. All right. Ooh, okay, all right, okay. Oh, so this is the metallic bookmark. Oh, that is an interesting bookmark. Okay. So does it just like stab or something in the side like that? I mean, I know there's a book in here, so I'll have to test it. I love like the enamel. It's like a soft enamel. Lovely design though. Yeah, I'll definitely have to like test how like the bookmark sits when I actually get the shiny notebook out, but that's still a lovely one. Oh, there's some good jingle jangle to those keys. You just want to keep like shaking them around. Next up, let's go with this one here. Heart-shaped accordion memory book. Okay. Oh, it's a lovely vegan leather. I do love the pattern on the front though. I can see where it's like this is cohesive with the black tape. Oh, it's one of these things. Ah, it's one of these books. I've seen these around. Okay, alright. I do love that it's blank though. You don't often see that with Arch products. They're usually very stuck on dot grid. So like, it is nice to have a blank thing. And obviously, yep, the idea is they're double-sided and hello my baby, hello my honey. You kind of want to just like play with it. I'll stop fiddling that so you can actually see it a bit better. So basically what it is it's kind of this continuous, you can't see it all on camera, but it's like this continuous heart pattern, and I think the idea behind these kinds of books is they're more like display things. You know, you maybe like you put photos and memories or something on each page and doodle to your heart's content, etc. I have no idea at all what I'd use for. I will have to come up with something, but this is still really cool. And considering the fact it is blank as well, I could easily use this as maybe like, you know, I could draw some of the main characters from my novel, or I don't know, put some cool VTuber memories in here or something like that. I will admit, this is stupidly fun. I kind of just want to go like da, like, you know, pretend playing the accordion, like do 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 do. But if I keep fiddling with it, I'll break it, so I'll stop. But this would be a great fiddle toy. But yeah, so this here is the pattern on the front and plain on the black. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Like, I cannot think for the life of me what I'll use it for, but I will find something, goddammit. And it is still like, it's got like a wholesome theme to it, you know? First up, that box. Gorgeous. Brush, pen, and ink. Oh. I will admit, when I did see the page come up on Artronolive, this was the thing that had me the most excited. Usually it's the shiny notebook, but I am a sucker for art supplies, and this had art supplies written all over it. Here we have like a closer look of the inside, and what is that? I think it's for filling it up. Let's try and use it. So if I, oh, okay, all right, so it's a decently stiff brush, but it's not like stiff to the point you can't use it. Okay, all right, that's not bad. Going by that feel, it's got a decent quality feel. Ah, I think I know how it works. Okay, I think I figured it out. All right, so this thing is the squeegee thing that fountain pens have to suck the ink out of, and this would go into here, I'd assume, and then the ink would get sucked up through the needle, and then you'd plonk that, and then you'd plonk this in. Makes sense, because it'd be hard to suck up ink through the brush. God, I feel like I'm about to get shot. And of course, we have the ink here. Ooh. Oh, all right, it's shiny. Okay. Shake. Under the light, that looks like a gorgeous red tone, but I know inks. I'm willing to bet that's some kind of pink instead, because the inks always show up way darker than they actually are in bottles. Look at that. Oh, that is lovely. And I love the shape of it as well. This is one of those bottles where, like, even when you do run out of ink, you still want to keep it and put other shit in here, like other ink and stuff. That is a lovely, adorable little bottle. Oh yeah, that's a pink. That is definitely a pink. You can see it a little bit on the inside of the lid. Oh, we got something. Okay, we got some decent suction going on. Honestly, like, with the needle and stuff, I'm actually kind of glad this isn't red, because otherwise this would look so macabre. This is like Danganronpa injections. I'll close this, because knowing me, I'll get too happy and then yeet this thing into abyss and cause a huge accident. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think that bled from where it was supposed to bleed from. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah! That's a lovely shade, though. I'm just like, I'm breaking it. I get this feeling that I'm not using it correctly. Oh my god, this looks so macabre. Like, even though it like comes out to this really nice pink, like this seriously looks like I'm committing crimes. Like, yeah, I'm getting my girly pop revenge, son. Oh god, my hands are covered in. Oh, it doesn't seem to be like running out of ink, so I think we're actually alright. Okay, I think I figured it out. I am useless with like when it comes to filling up fountain pens with ink. I am useless. I always make a huge mess. I get more of it on myself than on the paper. Banana. Yeah, I think that's a good test. Alright, I think we're working. We are functioning. Don't ask why I wrote banana. I'm thinking of food. Okay, I will admit, I do like this pen actually now that I finally got it working. If you look closely as well, the ink actually has got like some shimmer in it, which actually looks really nice. Like, not gonna lie, like that's a nice shiny. I like that. Like, now that I've figured out how to get this thing to work. Yeah, this brush is an easy 10 out of 10. My ink filling technique is maybe a 2 out of 10. But yeah, no, I love that brush. Okay, that is amazing. This is artist approved. It's not idiot proof though. Gotta go wash my hands. Oh no. Well, I have got some good news and some bad news. It's probably both depending on your own personal perspective. The good news is that ink is really good quality in that it is going to stay on whatever surface you put on forever. The bad news is that it includes me. Yeah, so I gave my hands a wash and the ink is, it is decided that I am pink now. Just as a heads up, if you're as clumsy as I am, be careful, otherwise you too will join the pink army. Alright, now for the best part. Ooh, I spy with my little eye a beautiful shiny notebook. Alright, just saying, this box, easy, like, gorgeous 10 out of 10. Look at this shit, look how shiny this shit is. This whole box is just shiny personified, and the bird in the back of my brain's like, open. Oh, ooh, okay, that is a nice shade of pink. I'll give it to you. You picked a good one. Okay, that is a nice shade of pink. All right, okay, Archie, you got me. You got me. That is nice. Oh, it's like a holographic gold foil as well. Okay, I like that even more. So we got our pen loop on the side. We got like a nice cold pink strap. Oh, we've got like the lock design along the sides as well. I do love the whole like lock theme going on. It gives like, it's got like such like 2000s journal energy. Remember those like old password protector journals that you'd get, and they'd have like the shit lock on them. They'd be like, yeah, I'm the only one with the key. No one can get in. Then you grow up and realize like, dude, like that lock was so fickle, literally a 2-year-old could snap it open with their fingers. That is a lovely cover. All right, now flipping over. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. That's nice. That's nice. That is rainbow gold foil internal pattern of happiness. I like that. The outside is nice, but that inner cover, oh my god, the bird is screaming. That is so nice. Oh, okay, yep, I like that. I like that. All right, we got a little gold pendant this time, so I'll bring that up a little closer. So the pendant, we got a gold one. I do love their little bookmark pendants. They always make me happy. Yeah, oh, okay, that inner page is amazing. Ooh, all right, so standard back. Your standard got me. Like, at the end of the day, this is just like another proper, beautiful journal, but like, this is gorgeous. It smells like new book. Oh! Okay, yeah, I actually unironically really like that. That is lovely. I love how like the box like fits it almost perfectly. Like it's just happy vibes, you know? I promise I will be donating the LOVESPELL box itself to my cat. You hear that, Asta? You're about to get another box. In conclusion, apart from looking like I had an accident, that is the 2025 Valentines Archer and Olive LOVESPELL box. It's got these really beautiful washi tapes. It's got this fun accordion book, which I'll probably use more as a fidget toy than an actual notebook. I need to stop playing with that. Oh yeah, no, the bookmark. I want to see how the bookmark sits. Judging by the flat side, I'd assume it's meant to sit like that and just like dangle off the top. Because the flat bit stops there. Yeah, that kind of works. Yeah, no, that clearly, all right, yeah, no, I see how it's meant to work. So basically with these, you only push it as far as the flat bit, because the flat bit stops there. And The reason for that is it gives just enough height for the keys to come around the side without actually causing any... Your book isn't going to bulge like crazy by putting it in, or you won't have this like bending awkwardly. So that's actually really cool. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Okay. And so that is the Valentines 2025 LOVESPELL box. And I'll admit, I really love it. I love how it's one of the ornate covers. With Archer, like the simple covers are fine, don't get me wrong. But the ornate covers, for me, is where Archer really shines. Like their ornate designs are gorgeous. We've got these lovely washi tapes, the brush pen that made me look like I committed a minor murder. But like a girly pop murder, and it's got a bit of sparkle in that, so I do like that as well. We got this really cool bookmark, my fidget toy, and these beautiful cat stickers, which are going to be fun to stick around. But yeah, so that's the LOVESPELL box. Once again, thank you so much for sending it to me. I really very much appreciate the present. To those interested in getting this box, I believe they're currently available on the Archer and Olive's website for a limited time only, or until they sell out. It is a whopping, get ready for this, 69 USD. Whoever came up with that number, nice, and worth every penny. I love this so much. Thank you again, and thank you so much for watching this lovely little unboxing of me adding to my wonderful hoard of notebooks. The dragon in me is so bloody happy. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give a cheeky like and subscribe, and if you dare commit the sin of communicating me in the comments, I promise I will reply. Have a great Valentine's, have a great Singles Day, or just have a great random day of the week, and I will see you guys next time for my next video, which is most likely going to be a comparison between the major notebook brands. So if that sounds appealing to you, bye bye and happy Valentine's!